Meet Maya. She's staring at her homework and sees something like this, 3x plus 5. And she thinks, wait, what even is x? How do you solve this? Sound familiar? Well, today, Maya is about to discover something awesome. She's going to learn that evaluating algebraic expressions is just like being a codebreaker. You swap out the mystery letter for a number and solve. Let's go on this journey with her. Before we help Maya crack the code, let's make sure we know what we're working with. An algebraic expression is a math phrase that uses numbers, operations like addition or multiplication, and variables. A variable is just a letter that stands in for an unknown number. Think of it like a placeholder. So when you see 3x, that means 3 times whatever x turns out to be. The expression itself doesn't have an equal sign. It's not an equation yet. It's just a math phrase waiting for a value. So Maya's teacher says, evaluate the expression when x equals 4. And Maya wonders, what does evaluate even mean? Great question. To evaluate an expression means to find its value. You do that by substituting, or plugging in, a number for the variable. Think of it like a recipe. The expression is the recipe, the variable is the mystery ingredient, and evaluating is when you finally add that ingredient and see what you get. Substitution is your superpower here. Here's Maya's 3-step strategy, and once you learn it, you'll use it every single time. Step 1, write the original expression. Step 2, replace the variable with the given number. Use parentheses to keep things neat. Step 3, follow the order of operations and simplify. That's it. Write it out, swap it in, calculate. Maya writes this on a sticky note and puts it on her desk. And now, she's ready to tackle any problem her teacher throws at her. Okay, Maya's first homework problem. Evaluate 3x plus 5 when x equals 4. Step 1. Write the expression, 3x plus 5. Step 2. Replace x with 4. 3 times 4 plus 5. Step 3. Multiply first because of order of operations. 3 times 4 is 12. Now add 5. 12 plus 5 equals 17. That's our answer. See how clean that is? Maya circles 17 and smiles. 1 down. Ready for another one? Evaluate 2x minus 3 when x equals 6. Step 1. Write 2x minus 3. Step 2. Substitute x with 6. That gives us 2 times 6 minus 3. Step 3. Multiply first. 2 times 6 is 12. Then subtract 3. 12 minus 3 equals 9. Our answer is 9. Maya nods. She's noticing the pattern. Multiplication happens before subtraction, every time. Order of operations is always the rule. Now, Maya flips to the next page and sees something new, an expression with 2 variables. She sees 4a plus 2b, 2 letters. But here's the secret. It's still the same 3 steps. You just substitute both variables. If a equals 3 and b equals 5, you replace a with 3 and b with 5. Then calculate. Maya takes a deep breath. She's got this. 2 variables just means 2 substitutions. Nothing scarier than before. Let's work through it together. Evaluate 4a plus 2b when a equals 3 and b equals 5. Step 1. Write 4a plus 2b. Step 2. Substitute. A becomes 3, b becomes 5, giving us 4 times 3 plus 2 times 5. Step 3. Multiply each term first. 4 times 3 is 12, 2 times 5 is 10. Now add them. 12 plus 10 equals 22. Maya pumps her fist. 22! 2 variables, 0 problems. Maya's feeling confident until she spots a problem with an exponent. She sees x squared plus 3, an exponent. Don't panic. Here's the key rule. When you substitute into an expression with an exponent, you put the number in parentheses first, then apply the exponent. So if x equals 5, you write 5 squared, which is 25, and then add 3. The exponent applies to the substituted number. Write it carefully, and exponents are totally manageable. Let's do one with Maya. Evaluate x squared plus 3x when x equals 4. Step 1. Write x squared plus 3x. Step 2. Substitute x with 4 everywhere, giving us 4 squared plus 3 times 4. Step 3. Handle the exponent first. 4 squared is 16. Then multiply. 3 times 4 is 12. Now add. 16 plus 12 equals 28. Maya writes 28 and double-checks her work. She remembered the order of operations perfectly. Exponents before multiplication, multiplication before addition. Here's a challenge problem, the kind Maya might see on a test. Evaluate 2x squared minus 4 when x equals 3. Step 1. Write 2x squared minus 4. Step 2. Substitute x with 3, giving us 2 times 3 squared minus 4. Step 3. Exponent first. 3 squared is 9. Then multiply. 2 times 9 is 18. Finally, subtract. 18 minus 4 equals 14. So the answer is 14. Maya checks it twice. Yep, 14. She's got this whole substitution thing down. One final problem. Maya's last homework question. Evaluate 3a squared plus 2b when a equals 2 and b equals 6. Step 1. Write the expression. Step 2. Substitute. A becomes 2, b becomes 6. That gives us 3 times 2 squared plus 2 times 6. Step 3. Exponent first. 2 squared is 4. Then multiply each term. 3 times 4 is 12, and 2 times 6 is 12. Finally add. 12 plus 12 equals 24. The answer is 24. Maya closes her notebook. Homework done. Remember when Maya stared at 3x plus 5 and had no idea what to do? Look at her now, solving expressions with 2 variables and exponents like a total pro. Here's the quick recap. 1. Write the expression. 2. Substitute the variable with the given number using parentheses. 3. Follow the order of operations. Exponents first, then multiply or divide, then add or subtract. That 3-step strategy is all you need. You've cracked the code too. Go show that homework.